Are you struggling with thin hair, short hair, or no hair at all, but you want crochet braids? Well, what if I told you that you can definitely still get crochet braids no matter what hair issues you have? I'm going to show you in this video step by step how I created a beautiful crochet single knees twist for my client. As you can see here, I started off giving her the reverse braid pattern. Yes, the reverse braid pattern is braiding the braids from the nape or the back of your neck all the way to the front. I did this braid pattern for her because her hair is stronger in the back than it is in the front. She does have some hair loss in the front, on her edges, and at the top. Her hair is very thin. So braiding these braids from the back toward the front is the most healthiest braid pattern for her hair. So once I braided those braids to the front, I took the ends of the braids and I braided them all together going across. And then I did 2 perimeter braids, meaning I did 2 braids going completely around the circle. And then here I have my silicone crochet cap. Yes, if you have not seen my silicone crochet cap, it's an anti-slip. As you can see, there's the silicone. It's a strip that goes all the way around the crochet cap. It's 360. And what does this silicone do? It prevents slipping and sliding. Yes, if you are tired of your crochet cap slipping and sliding to the back, this is the perfect solution for that problem. As you can see here, I'm putting on her silicone cap. And again, that silicone is going to cling to her forehead, it's going to cling to her skin, and it's very comfortable, very light, and very manageable. The holes are very thin and open enough so that your hair can get ventilation. And then what? My custom closure. Yes, this is my pre-braided custom closure that I'm installing. Why am I installing this closure? Because this is going to give my client the full coverage that she needs in the front. No one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss, any thin hair, any thin edges, or no edges at all. This is going to give her a natural hairline, and it's going to look like her natural scalp. And that's what we want, ladies. We want our styles to look as natural as possible. We want people to not even know that this is not our original or natural hair. And here are the single knees. Yes, this is the hair that we're going to be using. They're crochet twist. Yes. Look at these twists. They are absolutely beautiful. They are the smaller ones. They came with 18 strands on each, and we had 8 packs. So that gives us 96 strands. And oh my gosh, here they are. They're 22 inches long. And again, they are twists. And this style came out absolutely beautiful. So here it is. I'm just showing you what they look like once you take the little strap off. And again, this is an ombre color. It's a 1B30. So it's 1B, and then when it gets to the tip of the twist, it's a 1B color, which is like a honey blonde. So here you can see I'm going in and I'm starting to crochet. Now, one of the other main reasons why I use a crochet cap is to make sure that I have something else to crochet on. I do not want to put all the crochets on her natural hair because I want her natural hair to get a break. I don't want to put a lot of tension in pulling on her natural hair, so that's why I use a net as well. You can see here I am only crocheting on the net and not her hair. Another important tip is I'm also using the finger spacing method. What does that mean? I take my finger and I put my finger between each crochet twist to make sure that they fall nice and flat, and it gives a flowy look in the end. As you can see here, I'm just filling in all the spaces for her. I'm filling in her closure. Again, with this closure, it is absolutely unbelievable. The benefits is so amazing. Again, no one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss. It's going to give her a natural hairline in the front. It's going to make it look like it's her own natural scalp. And again, that's what you want, ladies. So tap the link in the description below or tap the link in my bio, and you too can order your custom frontal or your custom closure. This closure is also very affordable. It's reusable, and we ship out as soon as your payment is posted. So usually orders are shipped out next day. And look how beautiful this is coming out. Look how full this is. Oh my gosh. Look at the finished results. This is absolutely beautiful. Look how full it is. Again, no one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss. Another great benefit from my custom closure is she's going to be able to wear multiple parts. She can wear a right side part, a left side part, a middle part. So this here, I'm showing you what the middle part looks like. I'm showing you what her edges and her hairline looks like. And again, it came out absolutely beautiful. Again, look how full it is. No one will ever know that she has any hair loss whatsoever. I was so in love with this style, and my client was so excited, so thrilled that she has a full head of hair now. This is why I really love what I do, because I love making people happy. Look how full this is. As I lift up her braids, no one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss. No matter which way she turns her head, no matter what different style she styles her hair in, everything is going to be completely covered. If you have not tapped the link to my website, tap the link, go to my website, check out all the products that we have on there. We have some really unbelievable, beautiful, just unbelievable stuff there on our website. Again, look how beautiful this style came out, and you too can wear a beautiful style just as this. So again, these are some twists. They are actually 22 inches long, a 1B130. She's using my custom closure. And again, look at that hairline. Look how beautiful it looks. Just like her natural scalp. Again, no one will ever know that she has any hair loss at all. Look at that scalp. And again, she can wear a left side part, a right side part, or a middle part. So again, tap the link in the description below or in my bio to get your order in today, so that you too can wear beautiful styles. It doesn't matter what your hair issue is: thin hair, short hair, alopecia, damaged hair, thin edges, no edges.